I use Microsoft 365 pretty much every single day, but I mainly only stick to Outlook, Teams, Excel, and Word.
You're not alone, but Microsoft 365 has a lot of different applications that can help you work smarter and faster. Let's take a look at 5 different applications to help boost your productivity and work better.
Sounds great.
First, let's talk about one of my favorite tools, Microsoft Loop. Microsoft Loop is a flexible workspace made up of pages and real-time collaboration components like checklists, tables, and notes that can be edited across the Microsoft realm in tools like Teams, Outlook, OneNote, and directly in the web. You can access it by going to loop.microsoft.com, copy and paste it into a Teams chat, leverage it within an Outlook email. It's best for teams that are collaborating on live notes, plans, or ideas that consistently change. Another great product is Microsoft Sway, a lightweight tool for creating interactive presentations and newsletters that auto-format content into scrollable stories. You can access it by going to sway.office.com or through the Microsoft 365 app launcher. Microsoft Sway is best for internal or external updates, newsletters, project summaries, or announcements. Another tool I use is Microsoft Lists. It's a customizable Excel meets Trello type of tool. You can access Microsoft Lists by going to list.microsoft.com, through Microsoft Teams, and the Microsoft 365 app launcher. Some good use cases for lists are tracking work, status, owners, and deadlines. It helps by replacing shared Excel trackers with a structured, modern multi-user lists interface. Another great tool is Microsoft Whiteboard. Microsoft Whiteboard is a visual, collaborative canvas ideal for brainstorming, planning, or workshops. It's accessible through whiteboard.microsoft.com and through Microsoft Teams. Some good use cases are for brainstorming and ideation sessions, as well as visual planning like process maps, workflows, and workshops. And finally, Microsoft Clipchamp, a browser-based video editing tool that allows you to create promotional content, training videos, socials with ease. It's accessible through clipchamp.com, the Microsoft 365 app launcher, and the Windows 11 Start menu. Some other use cases for Clipchamp are how-to videos, short internal announcements, or marketing clips.
I had no idea any of these tools existed. Are they available to me automatically?
Not quite. They do come default in Microsoft's Business Basic, Business Standard, and Business Premium subscription, as well as their enterprise subscriptions E1, E3, E5, and F3. They also are available as standalone applications.
Good to know.
Let's go ahead and take a look at where we can find them together.